Hmm? G.
कमरे में बैठ गया, उनके कमरे में जाके बैठ जाओ वहाँ पर साथ।
A deal. I have to cook plus music. Batteries. It is your thing working. Here goes nothing. Hello, are you sorry? It is working. Greetings. Hearing this line says speak on who is this? Oh, this is the safety. How can I help you? We are looking for community to relate to meet up. Where should we go to find you? Meet us at the old oak. Clear signal. We should meet them. We've been living together for a while and not seeing other survivors. I don't think that's a good idea. Anything about that? Is there an is that one? No, giraffe. I mean, we have no idea who those people are, and I don't have any reason to trust them. I agree. I don't think we should test them, but I think we still should check it out. But we can't go really. Don't you know who these people are? Only we have to handle our out. We know how to get it out. ZZI has a point. Or military often section. I suppose I don't feel right about this, but I guess we should try anyway. Then it's time to see new faces who I need to see. I need harvest as much as I can. But before winter comes, I'm going to try and see if I learn more about that video. It looks like it's us three once again. Let's go meet the survivors. Are you sure this is the place? We haven't seen anyone. Well, look at these familiar faces. Oh no. Pony? The ex-member? It is a shame you left us. Tony worked with that. We were good friends. This is what you have. You are nothing to me now. Tony, the officer who took me away from my family must have found you, taking me from once I cared about. And who might this you be? You are certainly someone I have never seen before. I know everything about you and your set crew. Is that so? I suppose Pony told me a lot about you. Didn't you see what? That was one of the many flaws. He could never keep his mouth shut. Yeah. I leave her alone. Go only I'm just taking helpful posters. That's all. So everyone else and come back, I promise. See, she understands now. Let's get out of here. Dizzy. They're just one. I I needed a group to find. Unfortunately, I was stuck with a class and thing, but I was too scared to leave. What made you leave them? That's a story for another time. Need to go and save Zizi before we're late. Shouldn't we tell the others? There's no time. I need to now, and I won't do this alone. Alright, let's follow them. How long are these cutscenes? Longest cutscene of the year. The finally, I know a secret about the man. So this is what it is. You have been before. No, I don't do that. I just do. I thought just wait. You can do this. Be careful. There go everywhere. Scissors. We cut the fence with scissors. So realistic. What if the realism? I wish I met again this realistic. There's a guy